Only a 3-minute walk from all of this, I got the house for you.
I am selfish, I am flawed, but I can love. And so I wear this smile fit for the place above. You know me, the truth gets...
Designed to outlast your growing family, with size and comfort on a grand scale, this home will astound you. Welcome to number 23 Penzance Drive.
Fine. Will you stay there with me? Will you stay with me in the dark? Will you stay with me in the dark, the dark, the dark, the dark?
You have 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 4 living areas. High ceilings, air conditioned, a 9-metre garage and side access. A versatile floor plan for relaxed family living. But the bonus is a fantastic bay view.
Will you stay there with me? Will you stay with me in the dark? Will you stay there with me? Will you stay with me in the dark? Will you stay there with me? Will you stay with me?
The lifestyle this property offers is just as important as its location.